So we're ready to begin modifying our 2015 limited edition Mustang. We figured the best way to do this is the same way our customers do. And what's the most popular modification for an S550? That's an exhaust system. Now we have several different options obviously that fit this car. The one we're excited about is from AWE. Now AWE makes two different versions. They make their Touring and their Track system. We think the Touring is probably more what we're looking for this particular car, but we want to hear them both, so we're going to start with the Track. This is the AWE Track Edition Catback fitting your 2015 through 2017 Mustang GT. Now the Track Edition is made for maximum volume and maximum flow. This is 3-inch mandrel bent 304 stainless steel, and it's made right here in the USA. Starts off with an H-pipe through a set of mandrel bent pipes into a set of bullet resonators with no muffler whatsoever. So again, this is going to flow really well, and it's going to be on the louder side. Now at the end, again, your choice of 4-inch double wall tips. You go with the black diamond tip or the polished. Okay, to begin the installation, get the car up off the ground. We'll start by removing these bolts up here. Now, the nicest thing about working on a brand new car, no rust, nothing like that. We don't need any sledgehammers, just normal tools. I'm just gonna pop these little tabs up. That way these will slide off. Now moving towards the back, remove these two bolts so we can remove the hangers. There are little hooks at the top, so sort of push up and turn them down. Okay, now we're ready to remove the exhaust. You can do this all in one piece as long as you have help. What we're gonna do is slide the Catback back to get it off the front pipes, and then forward to get it off the rear hangers. Okay, to begin the installation, put the clamps back in place. And grab your H-pipe. I'm just going to snug it up for now, make final adjustments when we're done. Okay, with the H-pipe installed, grab the intermediate, we'll put a clamp on the front here. Factory hanger. Connect to the H-pipe. Again, just snug the clamp down. Here, reinstall the factory hanger bolt. I'll grab the rear pipe assembly, make sure you put the clamp where you can reach it. I'm going to put the hanger. And snug this down as well. All right, now ready to install the tips. This car, we're going to go with a polished tip, matches the chrome in the car really well. And again, here, you can go in further, you can kind of angle this if you want to, whatever look you're going for. Okay, you want to repeat the process on the other side, go back through, make all your final adjustments, and your installation's finished. Our AWE Track Edition fit great, now let's hear how it sounds. So our goal with this 50th car, like I said, we know it's a collectible car. There's a lot of them out there, so it's not like, we have to completely just baby it and keep it covered like we do. We decided we want to enjoy it a little bit, but we want to keep the modifications tasteful. We don't want to get, we want to make it sound good, but not be crazy loud that attracts attention. And, You know, we might lower it, but we're not gonna slam it or do air or anything like that. You know, all things that would be easily put back to stock if we wanted to. And when we put this track system on from AWE, the track edition, you know, initially I'm familiar with AWE, we love their stuff, they make really nice products. And I know, okay, track's gonna be loud. And you know what? It really isn't that bad. Like it sounds good, it's loud, but it's not like, it's not hateful, it's not like a sound you can live with daily. It might be a little louder than what we were looking for, but this is something I could definitely see on my own car that I'd be very happy with. See how it does on the highway. All right, so here we are at highway speeds. We're doing about 2,000 RPM, 65 miles an hour or so. Not getting a drone out of it, but it's definitely still there. I mean, it's got a deep tone on the highway. It's not an annoying tone, but it definitely has a little bit of that. I'm not gonna say it's a drone, because drone to me changes pitches, but it does have a little bit of sound there, like, you know, a drone-like sound that's consistent. But that's the trade-off sometimes with this style system. But it's cool, from like 2,000 to about 4,500, it actually has kind of a deeper tone, and then as soon as you get above that, then it gets noticeably louder. It's like deep, 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 and then you get kind of into that more raspy kind of sound. I would imagine with like long tubes and no cats, this would probably be painful, or pretty close to it. On a stock car like this, or even if you did long tubes and kept catalytic converters on it, which you probably should anyway, I think this would be perfectly livable and sound great. Our AWE Track Edition exhaust fits great and looks absolutely great on this car. While the sound might be a little bit louder than we're looking for the subtle kind of look we're going for this car, man, does it sound good. As far as the installation goes, typical catback, figure about an hour and a half to 2 hours. We'll be back on the road in no time.